How to make Snapchat public profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen and then tap on the gear icon. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of public profile settings. So under that you can see your name. So tap on it and here you can see your public profile. So tap on edit profile and here you can see your public profile. You can add your bio over here by tapping on add bio. So you can just mention anything over here to add as an bio over here. So I'm going to do this one. And then you can also show your follower count if you have. Then you can just go back. And then you can share your profile or link of your profile with others as well. Now after doing this, you can just go back and then tap on your profile and then scroll down. Now as you scroll down, you can see your public profile as well. So you can add your story to your public profile by tapping on this public profile option and just tap on OK, and you'll be able to share your stories, spotlights, highlights, and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.